Listen there. You clogging the toilets?
Ew, no! Yeah, that's my brother. Anyway, so this is a video of me and my dog, the one and only Titan. Nickname, Little Dog. Now, here he is. All you need to get him over here is a cracker. This is Titan. That was not good. Oh, it goes on, man. Ow! No! There he is. This is a bow tie. And here is another trick. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. So I just had to scoot him over. And now, here he is with... This is how you get him to look at a camera. Sorry. And later, I'll introduce you to another one. No. Where does the pollen go? Say hi to the people. And that's Titan. He's getting fried pies. Not really, but so get out, Titan. And now here's my next dog, Cupcakes, the diva of the house. Hold. Here's Cupcakes with crackers. No. Stay. Good boy. Good girl. And good boy. Yeah, yeah, we're all happy family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They both got tail. Yeah. And last but not least, one for me. So, look at him. Okay, here's one more guest. Ladies and gents, here's Here's a cracker for you. Here. While they're having their dinner, I am a pro at the cups. Let me just get this thing all situated. Here I go. I got my ticket for home. Skip away, and I should realize company. When I'm leaving for tomorrow, what you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me in my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. That's a fish tank. Right there, fish tank. Fishy. Fishy, fishy. Got my ticket for home. The one prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, there's castles that makes you shivers. It'd just be more prettier with you. And I don't know the rest, so let's just go on. That is my video. Now, be more than welcome. I'd be more than happy for you to subscribe and comment on any video that you want me to do. Anything I would do. Anything. Except for... Just comment anything that you want me to do. So yeah. Oh, I want to sing a quick song for you guys. It's me. It's a theme song for me. I don't know. I said one more thing. Magic trick of a blue Christmas. Silly Eve. 1, 2, 3.